Crude oil ended the month in red and ended the month at a critical support at $68 levels here. What to expect in the month of December and in the coming week from oil? Can we expect a breakout here which is going to take a major slump in the oil prices, or it is going to find the support and we are looking forward to a reversal and rise? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil in the month of December and in the coming week? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators, we're gonna do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. And this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates for crude oil, first with the Asia session, next with the US session every day, such that you can profit throughout the day and understand why certain levels are critical for oil here. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first. Look at the monthly charts. And when you see the monthly charts, you can find out that oil is definitely at critical support levels, and you can also notice the levels in between 68, or rather, I will say 66.5 and 65 are very, very crucial. We have seen oil reversing from these levels multiple times in the near past. And thus, this zone has become very, very crucial for oil, because any drop below 65 and 62 levels will take it below 60, yes, and it can try to erase the gains from here. This is the one point you should keep a note of. But when you see the near term analysis for oil, you will find out, see this spike here, then the erosion of the gains, then a retracement, then lower. So this was the bearish cycle in which it was trading for years. Now it has breached this cycle and it has moved upwards. And now if you take a look at it on the broader picture, you will find that it is trying to create a base and the support, and once it breaches this base, we are looking forward to a major dip. But ideally, is it possible for it to take a dip, or it is looking forward to reversal? Now let's have a look at the near term. See, hitting the highs, you have seen a retracement, we have seen a drop here, then a retracement, then higher lows, and now this time it is trying to reverse from the lower. Now lower highs suggest that there has to be lower lows as well. Lower lows means a drop below 60. But ideally, when you see the near term movement, you will find out that oil prices are now consolidating at a bottom, and we have to wait for a breakout. Right now, I do not see that breakout coming soon. Why, I will show you with the help of indicators. Now look at the last few candles. It is consolidated here. In fact, the last two candles, you can find out it has ideally formed a double bottom and stayed in a zone. So now in the month of December, if you see oil prices any point of time trading above 72.5, 72.6 zone, you can expect a movement towards 75 and then 78 levels. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a massive rise here in oil prices. See, track the movement for a few months. Bearishness, three greener candles, then three red, then three green, then red. So it is time for it to deliver the greener part of it. And it is time for it to, in fact, give a breakout in the near future. That is what is my expectation. But yes, ideally it should not break here, and if it does give a breakout here, you should not be thinking for the buys. Let's have a look what the indicators are suggesting. See, the moving averages here have started to converge, and now the prices are trading below the 100 months average, the 10-year average, you can almost count it. So, and see, it is trading well below these levels. Slight bearish sign it is. But when you look at the stock, this has hit the bottom here, and it is set to rebound. That is my expectation, but it is not showing any such sign. But yes, definitely this has come towards the lows, and even if it breaks in the month of December, the chances of a bounce back and revival in the year 2025 will be very, very, very high here. Now coming to the stochastic here, or MACD, and this is what I am looking at. I am just observing this for months and months, and I am just waiting for it to converge, crossover. It is delivering wave, and I am waiting for it to crossover. And this crossover can happen in the month of December, or it may take a couple or more months, but this crossover has to happen and this bounce back has to happen. uh, Possibly the year 2025 is going to be a boom year for the oil traders. Be mindful of this, and I also expect that this is going to be a bigger dent on the economy here, because see, the higher the energy prices goes, the more impact it has on the inflation, and it is a major contributor in the inflation part. And now we all know that the central banks are having a tough fight in having putting down the inflation here. Now, if energy prices rise again, this cycle of hike in interest rates, this cycle of economic slowdown will appear. So this could bring a major dent on the uh, inflation part, and that is what I am saying, that possibility of a reversal in oil prices are high, and the month of December is something you should watch out for. Now, only this is RSI, which is again a bit of concerning point for me, because see, it is looking downwards. If you look at the channel here, see, right now also it is looking downwards, and it has lot much of a scope on the downside. So this is one point you should keep an eye off, and that is why I say the month of December is very, very crucial. Now, coming to the when you see the weekly charts, the crossover in the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, these are trading bearish. It is not that it cannot converge again. See, for the last couple of years or more, whenever it diverges, shows a conversion, it is showing a movement within the zone, that is $60 to $90, a big broader zone here, but it is consolidating here before it takes a significant directional move. Right now, despite the week closing in red, I can say it is closed at the support levels. And now in the coming week, you have to be specifically careful, because if it breaches the lows here towards 66 and then 64.8, you can say we are looking forward to a greater move, but I do not expect so. Why I do not expect so? See, look at the formation here, look at the movement, how it is trading here. See, the bearishness, the retracement, the bearishness here, and it is looking forward to retracement. Now, preceding candle was very important. See, ideally these three candles are very, very important. What has happened? A flat top, a flat closing, a flat opening and a flat top at the bottom, then a opening and a close at the top, and then opening bullish and closing at the bottom here. So coming week is going to be important, because see, the preceding candle is a Mariboju candle, and if it opens flat, it can deliver a stronger bullish move here. First bullish candle, then the second one to be stronger, and this will confirm the reversal process. This will confirm the reversal process in oil, where the prices may head towards 75, 76 in the near future, and then 78 level. And thus the coming week is very, very important. The breakout either which ways is going to be significant, either a drop below 66 or a move above 72.5. If you look at the stock ISIC, this is at bottom almost. The MACD is also trading bearish, and it has hit the lows. Now, if you see the MACD here, rise, retracement, consolidation, then retrace. This is the main trend. Now, this is retracement. Wait for it to crossover. This crossover will confirm the reversal. Right now, I can see it is trying to converge, but it is not yet willing to crossover. The RSI is comfortable. Coming to the on the daily chart, see, the prices are trading bearish here. We have seen a major swing in the last trading session. Critical level at 69.6. We did discuss in my update that 69.3, 69.6 is going to remain the prime resistance. Hitting the zone, we have seen a massive reversal and a great chart swing here. It is closed in red. And when in the next week, if it trades below 67.8, 67.5, it can try to move towards the lows, where we can see it moving towards 66.7, 66.5 zone, and then 66. If it is seen trading below 66, consider that as a breakout. Now, what we had seen in our update, first of all, there are no gaps left here on the downside. Only on the upside, there is a gap at around 75 levels. This is something you should keep a note on. Also, it is trading in the box. Let it come out of the box. It's gonna take a direction, and the direction it takes, it is going to be significant. Right now, I can still see staying in the box on the downside, support till towards 66, very, very strong, below which 65 levels, and if these two levels are taken, more drop towards 62 is possible. It is trading bearish as of now. Let it show a recovery, let it give a breakout beyond 72.5, that will confirm a move towards 75, and then beyond 75 is where the bulls are waiting. Stock ISIC has come to an oversold zone. The MACD on the daily charts is just trading sideways after recovering a retracement. It is consolidating here, and wait for it to diverge and turn bullish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 hours, the observation is more or less same. After this decline, it is staying in the zone. See, it is covered the top towards the lows here in a single candle. What a greater swing is observed here. Let it come out of this. And thus, in the coming week, if you see it trading first beyond 69.6, then 70.4, 71.5, then 71.6, and then 72.5. Four levels. And you can count every dollar move from here. These are going to remain critical resistances and milestones for oil to break past by. As in how it breaks this zone, you can say that the prices are turning more bullish here. Now look at the formation rise retracement. I still see it trading in this channel, and a recovery from here is very much possible. But once it breaks out below 67.8, 67.5 zone, and then 66.5, 66 zone, we are looking forward to a greater down move as well. Stochastic looking down, MACD almost flat, RSI has dropped. So now looking at the charts and indicators, time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SEF-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First thing is where to buy. 68.4, 68.6 you can buy. Then we expect it to move towards 69.3 levels and then 69.6 levels. This is going to be the next milestone, which is going to be very, very critical for oil here. If it breaks beyond this, 70.2 levels will come into picture, and this time if it breaks 70, we can expect 70.8, then 71.5 levels. Any move beyond 71.5, stay bullish for 72.4, and this time if it breaks 72.4, stay bullish for 73.5, 75, 76, and then 78 levels here in the month of December. It is very much possible that we may see a move towards 71 and 79.2, because beyond this 80 is the direct lending, and beyond 80 is where the bulls are waiting. But see, the $80 levels from 68 in single appears difficult, but as in how it moves away from this zone, first breaking beyond 72.5, then breaking beyond 75, 76, and then 78, 79. These are going to increase the bullishness here. The bulls will be more attracted, and as far it moves away from the $70 levels on the upside, the bullishness will definitely increase here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 67.5. Expect 67 as the first, 66.6 as the next, 66.2 as the third, and then 65 point. See, on the downside till 65, 64.8, very, very strong supports are available. This is going to be the most important levels here. Just keep a note of these levels here. This, and this, all of these are very, very crucial. See, we have seen oil bouncing back from these levels several times, but once it trades below this zone, then 64, and then this time it is going to move towards 62. If it trades below 64, stay short for 62, and then we are expecting 60. Below 60 is where the bears will be taking over, and then we are looking forward to 57.5, the chances for which appears to be less from the current levels in the month of December at least. But yes, as in how it trades below 65, 62 zone, we can expect the bearishness to prevail. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the twice a day. Thank you. Have a great profitable month of December and a profitable week ahead. Happy weekend.